So hello guys, recently the Global Gender Gap Report for the year 2025 has been released. Let's find out the important highlights of this specific report which is required for our examination. The first point is who has released this report. This report is released by World Economic Forum and it basically talks about gender parity between male and female here. This report basically categorizes or differentiates or basically I could talk about measures the gender parity across four key dimensions which are economic participation and opportunity. Second one is educational attainment. Third one is health and survival. And the fourth one is political empowerment. Now let's talk about that who is being the shiner in this specific report. So it is being topped by Iceland, and Iceland has been doing this thing for past 16 years. It's the 16th consecutive year where Iceland has been ranked top in this global gender gap report. It is followed by Finland, Norway, United Kingdom, and then it is New Zealand here. Overall, if I talk about here, it has highlighted that the global gender gap has closed to around 68.8 percentage, but still it is not at par. It says if we still say that what is the time we will be getting to fulfill the parity at current rate, it will be around 123 years. Yes, if we compare it from COVID-19, yes, it has been shown that strongest annual progress since the COVID pandemic has been shown this year in the report of 2025. But it's not a good thing sign for India because India has not performed well here. India has first of all dropped its place. India was ranked 129th in the year 2024, but this year the rank got dropped by 2 positions, that is at 131 among the 148 countries. The score of India is around 64.1 percentage, but the point is guys, we are lowest among the South Asian region, which is a kind of a concern that this report has shared, that the gender parity level in India is not what is required at this point of time. Okay, so these are the major highlights of this specific report. I hope this information is useful for you guys, and if you want to get more information like this, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so that you got to always get in touch with regards to the important things which are required for the examination. So I wish you all the best for the examination guys. Keep working hard, keep preparing hard.